Hello everyone, welcome back to our IELTS learning series. I am glad you are here today. Meet Sarah. She has been preparing for the IELTS reading test all week. Section 1, piece of cake. She finds the answer easily. Section 2, tricky. But the comes section 3. Yes, the final boss of the IELTS reading test. So, why does everyone struggle with the section 3? You know, Well, it is actually meant to be the tough part. As you move through the test, the passage and question gets harder. By the time you reach section 3, you are dealing with the academic style, language, deep ideas and questions. Reason number 1, vocabulary. Section 3 uses high level of words you don't see every day. Things like implication, hypothesis and interpretation. It is not just about knowing this meaning. It is about the feeling and tones and context. So when you practice, don't just memorize words, learn how they are used. Reason 2, time pressure. You get 60 minutes for 40 questions. By the time you reach section 3, your brain already tired. That's why smart test takes manage time wisely. Finish section 1 in 15 minutes, section 2 in 20 minutes, and save the final 25 minutes for section 3. Remember, it is your last battle, so keep some energy for it. And then comes reason 3, complex ideas. Section 3 often includes topics like research, theories, or arguments. You might not know how much about them, and that's totally fine. The IELTS isn't testing your knowledge, it is testing how well you find and understand the information. No, thank you.